Hello, this is Dharmishtha. Today we will discuss lesson number 8, Tools used in Photoshop CS3 Part 2. In this part we will learn new tools of Photoshop. The names are Eraser tool, Blur tool, Smudge tool, Dodge tool and Burn tool. Now first one is Eraser tool. The eraser tool can erase portion of an image. It has three options: eraser tool, background eraser tool and magic eraser tool. So eraser tool erase the portion of an image. Background eraser tool, this erase part of an image and make it transparent. If the multiple layer, it erase the pixel of the background layer. And third one, magic eraser tool. This tool erase pixel from similar color area. Steps: how to use eraser tools. First step, open the image. Number 2, click on the eraser tool in the tools panel. Number 3, select of the eraser tool. Change according to your selection. First one is brush. The eraser tool take a shape of brush. The eraser strokes are like those of the paintbrush tool. Second option, pencil. The eraser tool take the shape of pencil if the eraser stroke are like those of the pencil tool. And third option, block. The eraser tool take a shape of wooden block of fixed size. And fourth step, set the value for opacity in the option bar and finally click and drag on the area to be erased. In this way we can use eraser tool. Now second one is blur tool. Blur tool can blur or soften an image or part of an image. Here given some steps how to use it. First step, open the image. Second step, click on the blur tool in the tools panel. Third step, in the option bar you can do the following. Select the appropriate brush from the palette in the option bar. Select option for blending mode and strength. Select use all layer in option bar to blur using data from all the visible layer. If the option is deselected, the tool use data from only the active layer. So remember this thing. And finally, click and drag on the image to blur the pixel. In this way, we can use blur tool in Photoshop. Now smudge tool. The smudge tool create an effect like wet paint smudge with finger. To use this tool, follow the steps given below. First step, open the image. Select the smudge tool in the tools panel. In the option bar, you can do the following. Choose the brush type, select blending mode, select use all layers to smudge using color data from all visible layers. Select finger painting if you want to smudge using the foreground color at the beginning of each stroke. In this option is deselected, then smudge tool use the color under the point at the beginning of each stroke. And finally click and drag on the image to smudge on area. In this way we can use the smudge tool in Photoshop. Now dodge tool. The dodge tool can make a darkened portion of an image lighter. Follow the steps below to use this tool. First step, open the image. Second step, select the dodge tool in the tools panel. Third step, click the arrow next to brush in the option bar. Then select a soft edges brush to get the better result. Fourth step, to select the range and set the value of exposure in the option bar. And finally, click and drag the mouse on the image area to lighten the pixels. In this way, we can use dodge tool in Photoshop. Here given a figure about it before using dodge tool and after using dodge tool. Now burn tool. The burn tool is used to darken the pixel in an image. The steps to use it are: open the image, use any of the selection tools to select an area to darken, or you can darken the whole image. Select the burn tool in the tools panel. In the option bar, set the exposure percentage. Drag the brush over the image to darken it. Here given the figure about it: image before using burn tool and image after using burn tool. In this way we can darken portion of image or whole image. In this way we can use burn tool.